No, I don't want to break in on a meeting. Tell him I'll see him later. Thank you, Charlie. Do you have any lovebirds?
Well, no, not in the shop, but I can order them for you.
How soon?
Well, when would you want them?
Immediately.
Well, I could probably have them here by tomorrow morning. Would that be all right?
That would be just fine.
Miss, is that for Mitch Brenner?
Yes.
He's not home.
Oh, that's all right.
He won't be back until Monday. I mean, if those birds are for him.
Monday?
Yes. I don't think you should leave them in the hall, do you?
Well, where did he go?
Bodega Bay. He goes there every weekend.
Bodega Bay. Where's that?
Up the coast about 60 miles north of here.
60 miles. Oh.
It's an hour and a half by freeway or 2 hours if you take the coast highway.
Oh.
I'd look after them myself, but I'm going away too. I'm awfully sorry.